Identifying a rough diamond stone at home can be challenging, but with the right knowledge and simple tests, you can get a good initial idea before consulting a professional. Rough diamonds look very different from polished gemstones, so understanding their natural characteristics is essential. 1. Understand what rough diamonds look like. Rough diamonds usually have a dull, greasy, or oily luster rather than a shiny sparkle. Their shape is often irregular with sharp edges and natural crystal forms such as octahedrons or cubes. Unlike quartz or glass, rough diamonds rarely look smooth or perfectly rounded. Tatter 2. Transparency and clarity test. Hold the stone under a strong light. Rough diamonds are usually transparent to translucent, but not perfectly clear. If the stone looks completely cloudy or milky, it is likely not a diamond. However, some rough diamonds can contain inclusions, so slight imperfections are normal. 3. Scratch test with caution. Diamonds are the hardest natural material on Earth. You can try scratching a piece of glass with the stone. If the stone scratches the glass easily without getting damaged, it could be a diamond. Be careful, as this test can damage both the stone and the glass, and some other minerals can also scratch glass. 4. Density and weight check. Diamonds are relatively heavy for their size. Compare the stone with another mineral of similar size. If it feels noticeably heavier, this can be a positive sign. However, weight alone is not enough to confirm authenticity. 5. Water test. Place the stone in a glass of water. Real diamonds usually sink quickly due to their high density. If the stone floats or sinks slowly, it is likely a fake. This test is simple but not 100% accurate. Haber 6. Heat resistance test. Diamonds have excellent heat resistance. Heat the stone briefly using hot water, not direct flame, and then place it in cold water. If it cracks, it is not a diamond. Never use extreme heat, as this can be dangerous. Shammer 7. Surface and edges examination. Examine the stone with a magnifying glass. Rough diamonds often have sharp edges and natural growth lines. Rounded edges usually indicate quartz or river stones that have been worn smooth over time. 8. Common stones, mistaken for rough diamonds. Quartz, cubic zirconia, and calcite are often confused with rough diamonds. Quartz is the most common mistake because it can look similar, but is much softer and lighter. Final advice. Home tests can help you identify whether a stone might be a rough diamond, but they are not definitive. Now, if you believe you have found a valuable stone, the best step is to take it to a certified gemologist or a professional laboratory for accurate testing. Remember, if a stone looks too perfect or too shiny in its rough form, it is probably not a real diamond.